So if you are a NEET or MBBS aspirant, this is big news for you. How many seats have increased, what has changed, and what it means for your future. So stay tuned for this video because we are going to give you an in-depth analysis of the situation. We all know that there were 20 plus lakh students who appeared for NEET UG. So there is a huge demand for MBBS in the country. The increased number of seats is really going to help you get a seat, grab a seat of MBBS in India. Hi everyone and welcome back. So if you are a NEET or MBBS aspirant, this is big news for you. The National Medical Commission or NMC has just released a new seat matrix, and the significant increase in the number of seats in the MBBS is quite surprising. So if you are wondering how many seats have increased, what has changed, and what it means for your future, so stay tuned for this video because we are going to give you an in-depth analysis of the situation. So the current increase in the number of seats is not just a mere increase in the number of MBBS seats. It reflects a deeper healthcare shift in the country's policies, and also about the quality of education, and the new colleges being come up raises a plethora of questions about medical education in the country. So with the newly released updated MBBS seat matrix for the academic year 2025 and 26, the 809 medical colleges across India now amount to 1,24,825 MBBS seats in the country. The major additions have been in Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra, UP, Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan, and a lot many more states. Why the expansion? Because we all know that there were 20 plus lakh students who appeared for NEET UG. So there is a huge demand for MBBS in the country. Also there is the great patient versus doctor disparity, and of course there is a rising demand of medical practitioners and doctors in the country. There is also decentralization because the newer colleges which are coming up might mean that you might get a college in your home state, nearer to your home, closer to your cities. And since there are stricter standards by the NMC, a few medical colleges which failed to be at par with the standards, those colleges have been dropped down in this new released update. The government colleges added 2,322 seats approximately, whereas the private medical colleges added around 3,628 seats to their MBBS batches. Around 456 seats were withdrawn due to regulatory non-compliances. The benefits of the seat expansion mean that there are more chances that you can get your dream seat in an MBBS college. It also means that you might get the seat in a state college which is closer to your home, nearby your cities. But having said that, you have to understand that the seat increase only helps if you qualify your NEET exams. So you have to prepare well and at least qualify the NEET UG exam so that this additional benefit of the added seats can help you. However, the challenges and concerns remain the same with the already existing vacant seats for faculty in many institutes. This will even increase the divide, the gap, and even more faculty seats might remain vacant with the newly upcoming regional decentralized state colleges. So infrastructure, faculty and all of those are going to pose challenges with these new increased seats in these colleges. So what should you do about it? Don't just go by the number of increased seats in the country. Whichever college is allotted to you, do a thorough research about the available faculty, the infrastructure, what the college provides you. Because merely the number of increased seats and the number of new colleges does not mean that they are going to provide you that quality of education and that quality of MBBS that you should get. And also prepare sincerely for NEET still, because all of these increase in seats will only come to you once you've qualified for NEET exam. So do not leave your preparation, still keep aiming higher for the premier institutes. However, having said that, if at all there is a little bit by which you get left behind, the increased number of seats is really going to help you get a seat, grab a seat of MBBS in India. Let me know if you want a state-wise list or if you want a list of the best medical colleges to help you choose better. Leave a comment in the comment section, and of course do like, share and subscribe for more such real life videos which will really matter to you, which are really going to help you.